What's going on, guys? So this is trade recap for May 14th, Tuesday, 2024. Yeah, so we're just gonna do a quick trade recap of today's price action, today's overall just trade recap, bias, and everything. So first things first. Today in the morning, we saw this huge push down due to CPI news that came out today in the morning, which took out all sell side liquidity. After that, we had this back into the range. Then we come out of the range, come back into the range, and see that, hey, it actually expanded out. Okay? So, now, as for today, we did not trade at all today because there was just no entries. If we go through this really quickly, we can see we sweep liquidity. Maybe if I'm trading the 1 minute market structure shift, maybe I'll find a trade within that time frame. Here we see that sweep liquidity. Break structure to the upside, then yeah, you see that fair value gap retest. Personally, I don't want to trade that strategy anymore. I feel like it's like hit or miss most of the time. I kind of want to just stick to the 5 minute inverse fair value gap strategy. It's been working wonders for us in the Discord, so I think I'm going to stick to it. So anyways, we have this 5 minute fair value gap, but we see that it doesn't get invalidated till here. Then we see this retrace back into this fair value gap, but we don't see any inverse fair value gap on this entry. Meaning what? Meaning no trades today for that. Okay. Then we see this other fair value gap. We see it get invalidated by this closure. Then we have this big push back up. Then we have this big push back down. Then we have this big push back up. We see that this gets invalidated again. Reacts off of that right there. That fucking so definitely would have manipulated someone out of that market. Then we see this inverse fair value gap get created. Then we see this tap into it. Then we see this little push up and then literally destroyed everybody else that was in that trade. Afterwards, we see this 5 minute break structure to the upside. Then we see, hey, 5 minute fair value gap get created. We did not see any inverse fair value gap get created again. And then this just literally took off, ran off with all the fucking kids and everything, bro. So there's legit just no entry today at all. I guess that on high impact news days, you probably want to check this out, like these 1 minute time frame trades. If I were to enter this though, I would probably have entered again like right here, and my stop loss would have been all the way down here. I don't think it would have been really optimal to take this trade, as first take profit would have probably been this high up here, which would have given us a negative RR, 0.5 to 1 RR. Then this take profit wouldn't have even given us a 1-to-1. This take profit finally gave us a 1-to-1, and then if you even put it to previous highs, right, where we were targeting, let's say it even hit the top, right, 1 and 2, it didn't even hit the 1 and 2, but point is, there's no money to be made within that trade. So, did we trade SPX? No. Now let's go over to my brother, or to SPX brothers, NASDAQ. So, trade recap on NASDAQ, right? I was looking and 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 looking, and nothing. Again, we had this huge push down, which doesn't even sweep out these 4-hour lows, which would have been way more exponential. We see this fair value gap break structure to the upside, then retest, but no inverse fair value gap get retest. Then we see this other breaker structure to the upside. Again, no fair value gap gets created and retest. Then we see this invalidation, this reaction, and then this push down, which would have hit one fucking one take profit, and then you would have gotten stopped out immediately. So again, did not take that trade. Then we see this fair value gap get invalidated completely. We see this little tap into it, and again, doesn't do shit, right? And then finally we get another breaker structure right here. Again, nothing. Again, right here, finally, we have an inverse fair value gap that could get invalidated. It got invalidated, never came back down to get a reaction. So, and then the rest of the day just literally just chopped its ass off. So, again, that's pretty much just it for today. Basic as trade recap. No money won, no money lost today. Again, follow my Discord. I'm live. I'm doing the Top Step funded account. Showing you guys that, hey, if you take it nice and easy, respect your rules and all this other stuff, it's not hard to pass a funded account. It's not hard. Anyways, so this was just a basic trade recap, going down, showing you guys that, hey, we didn't have any entries today. Maybe we'll do better tomorrow. Anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day today. Take care, and see you guys tomorrow. Market open. Anyways, take care, guys. Peace.